We're adding on the assembly procedures. It goes through number 4, which is glue the top and the bottom onto the box assembly and clamp in place. So I've already done that. Okay, number 5 is to square the box using the belt sander. Number 6 is cut the end view of the pattern out and trace the curve on the top. By the way, scissors are located in the top of the tool panel there. Okay, number 7 is to shape the top using the belt sander. Shape the curve of the top using the belt sander. Okay, and number 8 is carefully draw the line for that separates the top and the bottom according to the plan all the way around the box. Draw the line for the cut that separates the top and bottom.
Is that what it says on the plan, or okay?
They don't say anything about any of this.
So they kind of miss that detail.
Basically, they say glue the top and bottom onto the box. That's the last thing. Then they go into finishes.
Ooh, yeah, that's kind of a critical step.
Yeah. Well, they figure any woodworker would probably know these things, but okay. The next one is to check the squareness of the bandsaw and cut carefully on the line. Check the bandsaw for squareness and cut carefully on the line. That's going to separate the top and bottom. Okay. So, anybody know what this is? This is a neat little tool. What is this, Brian?
I can't remember the name, but it's a magnetic angle.
Yes, it's a Wixie digital angle gauge. Okay, it's magnetic. It will stick on steel parts, and we can check the angle digitally of anything. So, how would we use this to check to make sure that the bandsaw table is completely 90 degrees from the blade? How would we do that?
Slap that son of a bitch on there.
Dylan, excuse me. Watch the language. See me after class. Go ahead.
Put the side parallel.
Okay, listen. Put the side
Parallel against
the blade,
and
and it'll tell me. Not exactly.
that's how I would make it.
Now, the reason for that is, what if the floor is not totally level? Well, concrete is not perfectly level. You could, I mean, it's close, but it's got, you know, concrete, when they pour it in here and they smooth it down, it's not perfectly level. So what you got to do, you're on the right track, Dylan. You can put it on the blade and zero it, and then put it on the table, and it should read 90 exactly. If it doesn't, then we adjust the table. Or you can put it on the table and zero it, and put it on the blade, and it should read 90. And again, if it doesn't, we got to go back to the table and adjust it. Okay. Okay. So some tools that I'm going to need to use. William, what's that called?
Square.
What kind of square? Tri-square. Okay, so I'm going to take a tri-square. I'm going to go over to the belt sander. So come on over.
Dual square.
Come on, guys. You can leave your papers there. Just come on over. Jamie, will you go turn on the dust collector for me?
How close is that?
Yeah, I bet it's off.
It's always.
Okay, so first thing you want to do before using any machine is check to see if it is square. It's pretty close. It's off a little. adjust it. Okay. All we're going to do here, guys, is, you know, the top and bottom, there may be a little bit of difference, right? You may be sanding on the side to get it to match the top and the bottom, or you may be sanding on the end to get it to match the side, but we don't want to take any more than we have to off. Are you okay? Need to go to the nurse? Okay. Don't burn the wood on the end grain. Do a little bit on each side and then move it. Okay, that part is done. It's flush. I don't want to take any more off of that. Well, there's a little spot right there. Okay, that's done. This one's still got a little bit of the top hanging over. You notice that I'm sanding with the grain, not like this. Sand with the grain.
Where's all your glasses? I always found it's pretty easy to burn that oak on those ends, I'll tell you what.
So guys, this gets pretty hot because the oak is so hard. Don't burn it. Keep working your way around. Be patient. I got a little bit of burning there. Not too bad, but I got a little bit of burning there. Trying to hurry so we get through the demo. Okay, we'll go ahead and clean the belt. Cleaning the belt will help it to not burn. Make sure you turn that off when you reach in there like that so you don't get your shirt caught. Okay.
Okay.
Come on over to this table.
I didn't know that, Joe. Yeah, dude, I would have been. You guys would have been.
Hey, go turn off the dust collector.